In this video, we're going to show you how to install the shift knob on your Jeep Wrangler, located on top of the shift arm. We'll go ahead and spin the shifter knob off, grab that and rotate it counterclockwise here. And take that off. I want to go ahead and remove our little shift diagram off of the knob here. So just going to use a pocket screwdriver. I'm going to go down around the edge here and just pry this up and out. Working your way around the perimeter. And pop your button out like so. Now we're just going to set that aside for now. Underneath, there is a nut here. Now when we put this together, I want to make sure that the nut goes on the top here. We're then going to tighten this down onto the shift knob, and once that is then tight, we're going to go ahead and install our shift button on the top so we know where the correct shift pattern is located. Take your shifter knob, line that up, and thread that on. Thread that down until it stops. Now you have a lock nut here. Simply put that in. Get that started on there. We're using a 15mm socket. You want to just snug that lock nut down into place. Want to line up your shift button here. What you want to do is simply work that in, press it down into place. There's a little groove around the inside here. I'm just going to work that in too. You can use your pocket screwdriver and work your way around the perimeter, working this down and into the shifter. And there it is, lined up. Now that you have the component installed, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.